Hello and welcome to the Hornby Magazine workshop for an exclusive look at Accurascale's decorated sample of its KUA nuclear flask wagon. These impressive 00 gauge wagons are due to be released at the end of this year with a price of £159.95 for a twin pack. Accurascale's kindly loaned us these samples so we can give you a close look at some of the details of the KUA. These impressive wagons were built by Bombardier in Wakefield in 1998 and they were designed to carry spent nuclear fuels from Royal Navy submarines, from the bases in Devonport and Rosyth to Sellafield for disposal. And, usefully, for the Accurascale range, they were usually hauled by a pair of Class 37 6s. Now, if you didn't already know, Accurascale is currently working on a brand new model of the Class 37 for 00 gauge, and they'll be the perfect partner to these impressively detailed KUAs. So the KUA specification includes turned metal wheels, it includes NEM coupling pockets with small tension locks. You can change those out for alternatives such as KDs or magnetic designs. They also include a raft of separately fitted parts as well, including a multi-part die-cast chassis. You'll also find separately fitted handrails around each of the ends of the bogies. Plus, with 16 wheels, there's plenty of wheels to look at as well. Just like all of Accurascale's wagons, these KUAs have been designed to accept drop-in replacements for EM or P4 gauge. As standard, they're fitted with 00 gauge wheel sets, which feature 12mm diameter wheels on 26mm long axles. Their back-to-back setting is 14.4mm. These are lovely heavyweight wagons, and each one's 325mm long, which means when you put a pair of these together, that's a 650mm long train out of one box. And it's perfect to run with new DRS Class 37s, or they've also been seen with Class 66s, 57s, and I believe 68s as well. Being a decorated sample, there are a few things that Accurascale is going to amend before these wagons go into production. That includes modifications to the buffers to change the springing on those, and also to darken them as well. Plus, they're going to make changes to the brake shoes as well to improve upon those, and a number of little revisions they're going to make to the livery artwork as well. Even so, these KUAs are already looking great, and we're really looking forward to seeing the finished versions arrive at the end of this year. We hope you've enjoyed this latest Hornby Magazine video looking at Accurascale's decorated KUA nuclear flask wagons. And if you have, then please do click the like and subscribe button here on our YouTube channel. Plus, if you'd like to get more of our latest content online, then don't forget to check out keymodelworld.com, which has got loads of exclusive videos as well as more of the latest news from around the model railway scene. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.